Hey guys, it's Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. This is going to be a very quick video. I just had to share this new rice that I bought. Gluten-free, soy-free, high in fiber, vegan, 10 calories for a third portion, and zero fat, zero carbohydrates. I know. And super delicious. It comes in one big package. And what I did was I just took a vidalia onion, because I love vidalia onions. I like to get it sauteed and nice and brown with some cremini mushrooms, red pepper, yellow pepper, broccoli, and that's it. Added some onion and garlic powder, some teriyaki sauce I buy at the low-carb grocery store, and some Joseph syrup for a really delicious, easy side dish. You could add your favorite protein, chicken, shrimp, whatever you like if you want, or just have it like that. You could scramble up an egg and add that for more deliciousness, and also whatever vegetable. You know, my recipes are versatile, so don't forget to ring the bell, share my recipes and my tips and my channel with other people. They don't have to be on Weight Watchers, just on a journey. All right, take care. Hope this is helpful for you guys. Bye for now.